Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Quinn, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this little beauty of a traveler's notebook that I like to call my Savor the Moments Traveler's Notebook. And I call it that because it's where I like to keep memories of my adventures and special times that I want to savor and look back on. So these little inserts that you see here are actually ones that I made. I do have another YouTube video showing you how to make them. Also, I have some that I've made for sale in my shop at quinnboulay.com. And what I like about this is in this journal I used various kinds of papers. I loved that textured mixed paper feel. And I use a lot of photos and stamps, and a lot of times you'll see that actually the places I went, I would take brochures from and cut them out and put them inside the journal. And one of my favorite kind of papers that I used in here was the vellum. I just love the look of it and how the stamps look on it. And again, I would save memorabilia. This was a wristband that I would put in here. So this isn't just for pictures or writing. You can really add so much stuff to it. Like here, I needed more space to write, so I went ahead and took a journal card and just attached it with some washi tape. And again, cutting out stuff from the places I went and finding ways to use it. Here, I took an envelope and I cut off the flap so that I could save some tickets and wristbands and other memorabilia from my trip. And again, you can see I've got the different papers here and the vellum. And here I just created a little pocket just out of some thicker cardstock so that I could save like an entire brochure that I didn't want to cut up because it had some good stuff on it, and I wanted to make sure I could keep that, so I made a little pocket for it. And then I would also collect like stickers from the places I went and put them right in my notebook. And then again, on this page is a journaling card I used and just attached, and this side as well. And then here, this is just a piece of vellum I attached over the top. More stickers that I got from the places I visited. And I like to keep receipts and put them there to show where I went, to remember the names of like restaurants and things. Again, a journaling card. And that's it for my summer adventures. I'll let you have a peek at just the rest of the notebook here. Another thing to note is that these little vellum pieces here, these little vellum dashboards, in the video on how to make these notebooks, down in the description there's actually a link for you to get these as a freebie, so if you want you can check that out. So I'm really excited to go ahead and fill the rest of these little journals with some more memories. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired you to want to create some memories of your own and capture them in a creative way. This is a perfect thing that you can actually share with your family, leave on a coffee table. It's just a beautiful way to get creative and savor those moments.